Root words and meanings. Root word is call, com or con. So all of them meet together or jointly. Collaborate, to work together on a common enterprise or project. Collision. Collision means smashing together a conflict of opposite ideas or attitudes or goals. So first one is smashing together, second one is conflict of opposed ideas. Colloquial, that means words formed by everyday interaction or characteristics of informal spoken language or conversation. Commemorate, to memorize something, to keep something alive, to keep alive the memory of someone or something as in ceremony. Commune, a group of people not from the same family who live together and share their property and responsibilities. If you say that someone is communing with an animal or a spirit or with nature, you mean that they appear to be communicating with it. Concomitant, naturally accompanying or associated, or an event or situation that happens at the same time as or in connection with another. So basically it means accompany. Concur, to agree with someone. Let's see sentences. Collaborate, the two men met and agreed to collaborate, means to work together. Collision, his bus had a collision with the truck, means bus and truck did hit each other. Colloquial, it's hard to understand the colloquial items of a foreign language. Colloquial means the language that we use every day. Commemorate, some galleries commemorate donors by inscribing their names on the wall. So they remember by inscribing their names on the wall. Commune, Mac lived in a commune. Concomitant, loss of memory is a natural concomitant of old age. Concomitant means it accompanies old age. It happens with old age. Concur, I strongly concur with that idea, means I strongly agree with that idea. So that was all. Thank you very much. Keep learning.